it's your boy George B. Thomas from Sidekick Strategies, and we're diving into another nugget, a tip, a trick of HubSpot. And again, HubSpot in 2026. Today, we're going to dive into the Home tab because I'm super curious if any of you are just skipping it, using it, leveraging it, or customizing it. But let's go ahead and dig in and look at HubSpot Home tab in 2026. All right, so we're in the portal, and you can see the first thing is it's going to give us the date Monday, March 2nd, 2026. So this does update every single day. You're going to see the way that I have it laid out is I'm going to immediately be able to see my meetings. Also notice if you hover over this and you were to click it, it's going to take you to your meeting scheduler or the custom meetings that you can create for people to book with you. And you can see that you can scroll through this. Now, what's beautiful is depending on what you're getting ready to do. So let's say, for instance, I'm getting ready for this meeting with Tim. I can actually see there's 2 attendees. Notice I can click on this. I can prep or I can join. So think of this as your meetings command center right here in the Home tab of your HubSpot portal. Next, I can see any tasks that I need to do. And again, if I want to go to all tasks, I can just click it. If I want to see opened or completed, or notice this, I have a little plus button that right from here, from my Home tab in HubSpot, I can create a task. And again, if I hover over it, it'll take me to that exact task. Notice you'll see if there's any workflows that need to be worked on, we can review the issues. Obviously, we need some attention on here, and I know exactly what those workflows are, and I'm probably going to go delete them after this video. But we can review the issues, or we can just close it out and this would go away. Notice frequently visited opportunities. For us, that's deals, because yes, you can rename objects inside of your HubSpot CRM. Tier, because I'm a HubSpot partner, that has nothing to do with you. Partner clients, which makes sense that I'm looking at that. And then blog, because we're creating content that is of value, as you can tell by this video. Notice recent activity that you can see, and then used by businesses like yours. So they're literally giving you examples here and the percentage of match. And then what I love too is you can get insights. And so you can leverage low ticket volume or all these things. And you can have this little dashboard or little piece of information here that you can see. And last time it was updated. And then if you want to share feedback or you'd like to suggest something to this Home tab, you can. Here's the thing too that I don't want you to skip over. You can customize this. Well, I used the word customized lightly, but you can go ahead and hit customize. And now if you didn't want meetings to be at the top and you wanted it to be tasks, and then you wanted maybe needs attention actually to be at the top, then task, then meetings, then maybe frequently visited, recent activity might actually be before that. And then recommended tools or maybe insights is at the beginning as well. It's totally up to you. You can drag these. And then once you save them, notice your entire home page has just changed to whatever you need it to be. So all that to say, you should not be sleeping on the Home tab in your HubSpot portal. Now, this is relatively new, 6 months, year, something like that. But the amount of users that I've seen skip right past this, not set it up, not pay attention to it, not use it for an easy button to get where they need to go. Well, it's a travesty. Anyway, until next time in the next video, remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human. And of course, do some happy HubSpotting along the way.